Hello friends, famous, well-known, innovative, creative and unique and popular educational channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning. Right now I am dreaming about machine learning. We have seen lot of videos on machine learning one and a half year long back ago. I am recalling my memories about machine learning. So today we are going to see face recognition and gender detection using different libraries. So let us see which are the libraries which I will be using now. So Python machine learning, emotion recognition, gender classification from image, DLIB library and DNN library. Facial expression recognition library is developed by Justin, and this library required OpenCV greater than equal to 3.2 and TensorFlow 1.75. Remember that for installing FAIR library it took 15 to 20 minutes, and any of the dependency fail, then your image will not be displayed. Digital image will not be displayed. So be careful while installing FAIR library. It should be installed with 100% with no errors, and if this is possible, then only then facial emotion recognition are possible. Next is DNN, deep learning library. It's pretty much impossible to mention deep learning libraries without bringing a cafe. We will see that. Since you are in this page right now reading about deep learning libraries, I am willing to get beat about already heard about cafe. So what is cafe? Cafe is a deep learning framework developed by Berkeley Vision and Learning, and its model extremely fast and used for academic industry to start the art application. Now next is DLIB library, which is very popular. It is one of the most powerful and easy to use open source library consisting of machine learning, library, algorithm and various tools for creating software. It was initially released in 2022. It has been used widely in many big industries, companies for various big projects. It also has many more types of algorithm that has greater role in the real world. DLIB is used for face recognition purpose. It took 15 to 20 minutes to install this library. It is very it takes more time, but be careful, if any of the dependency fail, then your program will not run. So you should install with this library with no errors. Object facing function called HOG, histogram of oriented gradient, and CNN, convolutional neural network. Face recognition nowadays are being used widely in this application, DLIB library. So now we will go through the program. Now I will tell you cafe we have seen just now. So here we can see in DLIB library we can see, in DNN library we can see here cafe model we are using, just now I seen our PPT. Now first of all I will run the program of facial emotion recognition. Emotion recognition. This is done using FAIR library. In our previous video we have seen facial emotion recognition using DFace library. It also took less time to install, but it is very critical. If any of the errors occur, your program will not run successful. Now emotion recognition, live emotion recognition. Okay, fine. Yes, fine. So neutral, then happy, yes, happy, then angry, yes, angry, then sad, neutral, and surprise is not coming, neutral, happy is really coming. Yes, surprise is coming, surprise is coming. So this is all about facial emotion recognition. Now we will see gender classification from image. So we will see using here I use library. Keras model and DLIB library has been used here. Very popular library for industry. Now fine. Yes, Madhur Dixit. Yes, female is recognizing. Now I will add another image. Which image? SRK 4. SRK 4 we will take, or 3 we will take. We will try first SRK 4. SRK 4. SRK 4. Gender detection from the image. Yes, it is recognizing male. Fine. Now at the last, recognition for the gender from the live webcam. Now with DNN library, Python 3, gender classification with yes, it is recognizing. Yes, it is recognizing male. Fine. I will take my okay, no, male, it is recognizing as male. So I successfully done with emotion recognition and gender detection using DLIB library and DNN library and FAIR library face recognition. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning. I will be back with more creative videos on Node.js, React.js, Multag, Fulltag. Also, if possible, videos on Streamlit, then operating system. And so keep watching my videos on YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.